Hello, welcome to the Moon Scarab channel. My name is Ramon. On this video, I want to show you some pendulums and a pendulum board that I made from scratch. I posted a previous video on getting started with pendulums, and the pendulums you'll see today are featured in that video too, but I wanted to make this video just on those ones that I made. I'll show you also the process of how I made the pendulum board. Let's take a look. I want to start with this pendulum. I made it last year and it's actually the first pendulum I've ever made. The pendulum end is made of metal with turquoise and coral color beads. The chain has metal beads in copper and silver colors. The end of the pendulum has a piece of turquoise stone. Some of my pendulums have a handle to make it easier to hold and swing. The next pendulum has a smoky quartz on one end. The chain is made of wood beads and metal beads. It has a handle with what could be a sun or a star. This pendulum has a metal design of a bird skull. A regular chain, and the handle is a medallion with a design resembling the Three of Swords from the tarot. I use this pendulum when I have a heavy-hearted inquiry. This pendulum has a pointed blue agate, silver tone chain, and a bar-shaped handle with two sparkly balls at each end. Agate is known for being a calming stone, so the energy of this pendulum is very gentle. This pendulum has a deer antler. This antler was naturally shed. It's tethered to a copper alloy chain and a handle with a moose skull. This pendule has a golden metal point with a volcanic stone bead. The handle has a sun design with a blue stone. I wanted to represent here heaven and earth. The next one has a faceted piece of glass with pearl-looking beads wrapped in wire. The handle has another faceted glass sphere. This pendulum has an iron bird. It's dark brown, almost black, a chain of the same material and color, and a copper ring. The pendulum board was made out of a candle lid. This is what I did. I got a wood lid from a large candle. I painted it in shiny royal blue, designed the image of the pendulum board in Photoshop, and printed it in vinyl sticky paper. I covered the image with gloss Mod Podge for protection. Then I covered it with epoxy resin to give it a glass-like surface. And voila! Now I have a custom-made pendulum board. Instead of adding words, I added different phases of the moon as values. The full moon is yes. New moon is no. Waxing gibbous is maybe yes. Waning gibbous is maybe not. A round spin is ask again. I hope you enjoyed the video. As you all know, I love making my divination tools. I make some, I buy some, but most of the time I really enjoy the process of creating my own divination tools. So again, I hope this video inspires you to be able to make your own and express yourself through creativity on making your own divination tools. Thank you for watching, and blessings to all.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and share it with someone who might benefit from it. And click the subscribe button for more future videos about tarot, divination, and other esoteric topics.